Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. In this video we're going outside to do a mini project replacing some fencing. Okay, so in this video we're going to head outside. We're going to replace some fencing, some really old fencing on a shared path. So I'm replacing ours and a neighbour's fencing. It's just some 6 foot by 3 foot fencing. It's really old, God knows how old it is, but it's falling to bits. So I'd head outside, show you before what's going on, and just go through the process of replacing. So the posts are fine, they're quite solid. There's a couple that have moved forward a little bit, so they're not perfectly level, but we don't mind about that. It's kind of just a shared path that we don't use that much. So it's just to tidy things up and make it look good with some new fencing. Before this video, what I did do is I used a petrol strimmer and strimmed all the path back as well. I'll link to the video up here somewhere. That was using our Buco strimmer, so I'll give a quick link up here and in the description. Okay, so we're going to go down outside that gate and we're going to take an old fence down and replace it with a brand new one. Let me go show you the work area. Okay, so that's the project all done now out there. It was quite easy to do in the end. The hardest bit was probably taking the fence down and taking all the old wood to the tip, to be honest with you. Using those clips, those fencing U-clips on the existing posts, sliding the fence panels in, made it pretty simple to do. I did have to cut back quite a lot of wood, quite a lot of the old stumps of the old bushes that were previously there. That took a bit of time, but that's some nice firewood that we'll be using in a couple of years. So yeah, overall, really pleased with the outcome. The fence looks much better. That path is now more usable as well. Now we've cut it back and made it look a bit more tidy. So yeah, overall, really pleased. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Hopefully it's been informative, showing you what we've done with the fencing, maybe help you with a project you're looking at. With some fencing you're going to replace. If you have liked the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, do give it a dislike. Let me know in the comments what you didn't like about the video. If you've got any questions about what I've done, any comments about what I've done, maybe what I've done wrong, drop that in the comments section as well, and I'll get back to any questions and comments. If you want to follow the Huson DIY journey along, other projects like this, I'm doing some more fencing soon, that's coming up in another part of the garden. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on another one.